Good morning to everyone. Today I would like to discuss about the biomass energy. What is biomass energy? Biomass energy is a renewable energy source that comes from organic materials like plants and animals. So the biomass energy is used for heating, electricity generation and transportation purpose. Biomass energy resources: wood, wood processing waste, agricultural crops, crop waste, municipal solid waste, animal manure and human sewage and algae. So these are all the examples of biomass energy resources. We can see one by one. Wood. So the largest biomass energy resource. The wood can be used as fuel directly, processed into pellets or other fuels. The next example is wood processing waste. It includes sawdust, bark, branches, leaves and needles. Another example, agricultural crops. Crops like corn, soya bean, sugarcane, switchgrass. These are all the examples for agricultural crops which is used to produce biofuels. Next, crop waste like husks and stalks can be dried and burned to produce biomass. Municipal solid waste. This is also one of the example of biomass energy resources. From municipal solid waste, we can produce to biomass energy like paper products, cotton and wool products, food waste and wood waste can be incinerated to create biomass energy. Animal manure and human sewage. This can be used to produce biogas. And last one is algae. This includes microalgae, macroalgae and cyanobacteria. Next. Biomass energy resources. Forests, agricultural residues, energy crops. So this is also biomass energy resources. From forest, we can able to get the wasted wood and other particles such as leaves and branches and leaves. So from these things we can able to produce the biomass energy. And similarly agricultural residues. And energy crops, if we are talking about energy crops, the sugarcane and oil producing plants like sunflower, rapeseed, palm oil, castor oil, soya bean, groundnut and cotton seeds. Aquatic plants. Water kelp, seaweed and algae. Urban waste, municipal solid waste and sewage. So these are all the examples of biomass energy resources which is able to produce biomass. And if we are talking about the advantages and disadvantages of biomass energy, so here the advantages are listed out. Renewable. Biomass is a renewable resources that is regenerated at the same rate it is used. And similarly, it reduces greenhouse gases. Biomass energy emits fewer green gases than fossil fuels. Reduces landfills. Biomass energy can be used to generate energy from organic waste instead of sending to it landfills. Domestically available. Biomass is widely available, less expensive. Biomass energy is less expensive than fossil fuels. So these are all some advantages, and disadvantages are deforestation. So biomass basically produces from bioplants, so that which can lead to deforestation. Health impacts. So gathering and using biomass fuel can lead to physical and psychological health challenges. Using biomass fuel can also contribute to indoor air pollution. High initial cost. Biomass energy can have high initial cost. Arable land consumption. Biomass energy can consume arable land. Low energy density. Biomass energy has relatively low energy density compared to fossil fuel. Ash generation. This combustion of biomass produces large amount of ash, which can affect the efficiency of the energy conversion process. So far we discussed about what is biomass energy and what are all the resources which are used to create the biomass energy, and some advantages and disadvantages we may discussed in the previous slide.